Hey everyone, I had a few ornaments from my childhood that I wanted to showcase in a very special way. So I created some magical Christmas dioramas with a few thrift store items. And we are colorizing them with Artistic Vivations metallic concepts. Artistic Vivations are metallic stains that were created by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is also the inventor of Unicorn Spit, and you can colorize almost anything with it. Grab some old candle holders and some glass vases and you've got a terrific Christmas centerpiece. Are you ready? Let's get making. The earliest candlesticks were made of stone or metal, and they were often used for religious ceremonies. In the Middle Ages, candlesticks became more popular as they were used to light homes and businesses. In the 18th century, candlestick holders became more decorative. The celebration of Christmas started in Rome about 336 AD, but it did not become a major Christian festival until the 9th century. The diorama was invented by Louis Daguerre and Charles-Marie Bouton, who first exhibited them in Paris in July of 1822. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye!